We're at 2nd Street Southwest near Audi Field, and we are installing about 70 concrete dividers for the cycle track here. This is part of the trail network. It really connects perfectly into the Anacostia River Trail system. The equipment we're putting in today got delivered on a flatbed truck. It's about 56,000 pounds worth of stuff between the steel rods. We have 280 of these. We have 70 barricades. They weigh 1,250 pounds each, and they come 5 on a pallet, so the pallets are 6,000 and change pounds. Besides the concrete, they actually have these steel rods. It's an 18-inch steel rod, weighs about 8 pounds, and 4 of these go into each one of the dividers, so it's really anchored pretty well. Bike to Work Day is this Friday, so we're happy that this project will be finished by then, so anyone who's coming down here using this facility as part of their Bike to Work can use it, and hopefully this is just the start of a lot more facilities with better levels of protection.